Welcome to another episode of the Crypto Euclid and Petey the Parrot Show. I'm your host, Crypto Euclid, and this is Petey the Parrot. Say hello, Petey.
Squawk, tally ho.
Anyway, we're going to check the price of Bitcoin today. As you can see the chart behind me, we're at $3,600. We had a little bit of a bounce over the holidays, over Christmas. I think it got up to around 4,000 or so. Everyone got a little excited and declared alt season to be a thing. But it looks like we're going back down again, and I suspect we're going to continue to go that way. What do you think about the price of Bitcoin, Petey?
Squawk, tally ho.
Very enlightening. Well, anyway, thanks for watching the show. That was another episode of the Crypto Euclid and Petey the Parrot Crypto Show.